Yeah, sure, yeah.
Okay, so how easy is it to ask an open question? Okay, good. I like that as well. So what else? What have you done so far if you're managing a team? It really is the foundations that all good businesses are built on. So it affects leadership, it affects problem solving, it affects creativity, it affects customer sales. And it's not something that we spend an awful lot of time thinking about how we do it, although we spend a lot of time doing it. So this is really an opportunity for people to take a step back, think, reflect, and really consider what they could be doing better and differently, so that when they go back to work and take those skills with them, they can be as effective and productive as they need to be. We're going to do a recap of this morning. So the way that we're going to do this, the pen matches, I think that's good enough reason.
I've learned that words matter more than you might realise.
The more effective if you actually meet with somebody face to face. So I think that's the moral of the
We've learned a lot, really, I would say, about the basics of effective communication, particularly around body language, asking questions, and generally learning how to talk to people and to listen to them.
The course has been really fun, quite interactive, and I've learnt some great skills to develop my communication.
Exactly, and very often if you do that you can